Hello friends. Many of the patient ask us, is wisdom tooth surgery painful? So today I am going to tell you about wisdom tooth surgery. What is wisdom tooth? Wisdom tooth is third molar which usually erupts between the age of 18 to 25 years. Wisdom tooth is usually the last tooth to erupt. Anytime wisdom tooth gives trouble to the patient because there is no sufficient space for it to come out, and that's why it doesn't erupt completely, and we call that as a impacted wisdom tooth. Wisdom tooth, because it's not completely erupted, it gives some problem like pain, infection. Sometimes wisdom tooth develops into a cyst or jaw tumors. Because wisdom tooth gives trouble, we advise surgery to remove the wisdom tooth. Now, whenever it comes to the surgery, patient usually asks, is wisdom tooth surgery painful? I will say no, wisdom tooth surgery is not painful, because when we do surgery, first we numb the skin where we have to give injection, and after that we give injection around that area, so the surgical area become numb and patient do not feel any kind of a pain during the surgery. After that we give a good medicine to control the pain, which continues for next 4 or 5 days depending on the severity of the surgery. Usually post surgery there are some precautions we have to follow, like we have to avoid spitting, rinsing, gargling. Whatever saliva comes to the mouth we have to swallow. Post surgery we have to apply ice over the surgical area from outer side. We generally advise patient to take soft liquid diet, cold diet, so it doesn't disturb the healing of the wound. We also advise patient to avoid any kind of aerated fluid like Pepsi, Coke, soda, because it can disturb the clot over that area, and which might sometimes lead to some kind of infection. Along with that, we advise patient to take a proper oral hygiene care like Hexidin mouthwash, and after few days proper brushing of the teeth. In general, recovery time there is not much of a pain, but initially while few movements like swallowing or opening mouth can give little bit of discomfort, but with more and more practice that discomfort also reduces. So after 4-5 days patient starts doing good, and they usually may not require any painkiller for any kind of a pain. So yes, wisdom tooth surgery is absolutely safe, and no pain during and after the wisdom tooth surgery. Thank you.